Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have ALCHEMY PAY daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the comment section and in the description box. You will get tons of benefits, including an automated system with buying and selling opportunities for 200 altcoins. You will be able to buy and sell them and to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. A manual system which is also automated with over 90% win ratio. Personal guidance every day. Educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands. Market updates, random giveaways, Pine scripts for TradingView, and many other. You won't regret it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into our technical analysis and the risk metrics first. And after we are going to the price analysis. So right here, what do we have is that we have the ALCHEMY PAY already actually almost on the daily frame above the 70. We can grow potentially even more, but be careful because the commodity channel index is very, very high, and therefore you have a very high risk for now on the daily frame. If we are about to go to the 4-hour frame, you will see the risk we are holding. The RSI went even to the 86. Now we are dropping a little bit down. In order to have a buying pressure, I will tell you exactly what we need to do. But first, you need to be extremely careful. We are in a correction mode right now. Please do not buy right now. This is not a financial advice, that's my personal opinion, but I have to admit that for now we have a pretty huge risk, and I will explain what can happen in order to go even higher, okay, and what you should be doing according to my opinion. So right now, as you can see, the relative strength index, the commodity channel index, stochastic RSI, and the Fisher transform, it is in an overbought. That means too many buyers have stepped in and sellers will step in soon. You can see that sellers actually stepped already in to the price, and we have a minus 7% correction over these last few hours. Let's go to ACH against Bitcoin chart. Right here we approach the 0.786 trend-based Fibonacci extension after drawing the trend-based Fibonacci from the bottom back on 28 October till this top on 29 November 2021, and of course to the bottom on 21st December 2021. Then we had a little bit of a sideways action and pump up, minor pump ups, and we had this breakout. Of course, the 0.786 was a very huge resistance level. If we do not manage to close above the 0.618, we might correct even further down onto the 0.50168. But if we can manage to close above, we might be getting even higher to the one trend-based Fibonacci extension, which is near the 0.5024443. Okay, so we have these price targets for ACH against Bitcoin chart, but first on this 4-hour frame, we have to close above. That means the body of the candlestick has to close above, the closing price has to be above this line right here. Let's proceed quickly into the price analysis. And right now we are going to see some very important targets you should be focusing in. And we are going to draw the Fibonacci from this bottom right here up to this top. You can see that we have one very important support level, which is the 0.382. But the most important for me, it is the 0.5. If we can hold the 0.5, then we can maybe manage to have a buying pressure. But if we cannot, then we will be going down to the 0.618 and then having a buying pressure above the 0.095 cents will be very difficult. Okay. So right now we are paying attention to these support levels. From there, we might have a buying pressure, but this buying pressure should be more minimal, and we might be having a buying pressure not go above these targets right there, because right now you can see that we have a very high risk for ALCHEMY PAY. I would pay attention to the 0.5, 0.382, but less on the 0.382 and more on the 0.5 and the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, the 0.077 and the 0.072. There we might be having a buying pressure. If we have a buying pressure right here, okay, and you see another green candlestick going upwards, then we are probably going to the 10.4 cents, 0.104, okay, and the 0.11. We can manage to get there, but for the time being, I would suggest you to wait and observe the market. Do not recklessly get in, and if you bought at the top, please be patient. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market, and you all should know that. For the time being, we have to close above the 0.5, then we have chances. If we do not find buying pressure around here, then we won't be having chances. Most likely, it would be to get down to the 0.072, okay? And we should be seeing that unless we close above the 0.382, in which will be good, very, very good, in order to have a buying pressure maybe again towards the 10.4. If you ask me what has the most chances, do we have more chances to go down? I would say yes, by 65% around there to 70% to go and correct even more. So I would suggest you to wait, not a financial advice, of course, just my personal humble opinion right there. And you can see that we have these targets from the 0.618 over the 0.5. It is very possible to get a swing high towards maybe the 0.08 as well. We will see about that, the 8.5, and then we correct again. This is what happens after huge, crazy pump ups over 43%. You can see in just 4 hours. Now we're dropping down, and this is what happens. Then we get a pump up and then we drop down as well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and write in the comments if you want more daily updates for ACH. Thank you. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.